Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2016 Honda Pioneer 1005 with electric power steering. It's got 8-ply Dirt Commander tires. I'm going to say the fronts are probably 60-70% tread. Hard doors with the crank down windows, tilt assist or the extra jump seats in the back. Rear tires are probably 30-40%. Has a canvas rear, full hard roof. This machine's got the heater and wiper washer kit in it. Has 1,168 hours. 10,164 miles. Gonna take another video of this machine getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at the dealership, 406-232-3300.